Hi, today we have an interesting success story of Kiran Sai who got placed as a graphic designer at Sisya class. And you know what? These particular interviews are happened in PurpleLane, Vizag offline itself, which means this is completely a placement drive which is happened for almost 20 students in Vizag office, and the two students has been selected here. Now let us see Kiran Sai's success story. Hi Sai Kiran, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm doing well.
First of all, congratulations that you got placed in CCR, right? Your journey is like you have been involved as a internship and then you have been shifted to full time, right? So how is the performance at companies at the moment?
Here the work is new for me, sir.
Okay.
We've been working on poster designings and other things at training, sir. But here they worked on other topics. But within that 1 month duration, I got used to that, and I'm doing right now well, sir.
Can you please introduce yourself?
First of all, my name is Kiran sir, and I have done my graduation in the same year as 2025 sir in EC background, where I couldn't find jobs in CSC background, whereas I tried my best. But later on that, I wanted to achieve something else and get into something new creative like that. There I have met Bhavani sir, right? You have guided me to this UI and designing. Later I felt like this would be something I can achieve better in my future, and it looks very good. So I gave it a try, and within 2 months duration, I got into means I placed into Sisya class. It's a very great experience at Purple.
You took the offline course, right? How is the offline course experience is like with the mentors or like the entire expertise at the offline? How you actually involved in the entire process?
At the offline means there we can get anytime the support from the teachers. Like even when we are at hostel or at home, we can call them as well. We can get clarified with the doubts, and they have been very supportive while training, sir. Yeah, both for both UI UX and graphic designing, and they don't see anyone separated from others. They see all of them equal.
Okay.
That's the best.
Till now, how many companies you have attended and how is the entire process actually happened?
For now, I have attended like two only, sir. One is Sisya class, and the first opportunity I got placed at here, sir. Later on that, I got a better opportunity, but more skills that I need to work on, so that it wouldn't work out for me. But I have gone through up to final interview as well, but
Okay.
I couldn't went through this.
Okay, that's fine. We hope like you will achieve a better opportunity in the future. That is for sure. How is the course is like how you involved in this? Like as you know, like you have been went to a development perspective as well as the designing perspective, right? So how is actually this for from the software development?
That's the main thing I have been interested in this one, sir. Going to software, I didn't feel like it's much creative. It keep on repeating the same codes and running them. But in here, it's a different ways. You don't need to stick on the same design. You need to think on and be more creative in this field. That would be a lot of enjoyment as well for me, sir. That's the
That's
difference.
that's really nice. Like because like most of the people like they feel like designing. I mean, coding is the only course that they will jump into the software industry and all. So how actually experience like I mean when someone says like designing is there is an opportunity in software industry. Have you felt that? Do you know this before or like you just got to know after Purple Lane?
Sir, before getting into designing, I have a small habit of sketching arts like that, sir.
Okay.
Later on that, after seeing these course and things, I thought like maybe both of these things are same, but thinking perspective is different. So that for getting used to it, I've been trained on Purple, and it went well as well.
I have a one of the interesting question for you. You went to Sisya classes interview, right? So how is the interview happen? So how is the entire placement drive happen?
First, it started early in the morning, like around 9 o'clock, sir.
Okay.
We have attended like for offline, we have attended at least like 20 people. And first round, they have mentioned about the company, and later on that, they asked if you are interested in both graphic designing or video editing as well. For that, they have given three tasks to design this in within like 15 to in 2 hours. They asked to design the like four posters, sir.
Okay.
And for that, we need to work on with their own creative so that it's separated from most of the people. Sir, out in the market for any interviews, they're expecting more from us. Like we don't need to follow some ChatGPT AI thing. We just need to be more focused and creative. Later on that, they have again conducted for all of them like face-to-face interview with the here designer team had, and There he asked about the what our introduction like that, and later on which softwares you've been working on, and have any experience in other fields, something like that. It went, sir.
Okay.
Later on that they announced who been selected there.
That's great. I hope like you enjoy the placement drive and the entire process which is happened in Purple Lane. So we would like to do better experience in the future as well. And yeah, that's it. Like you want to say anything needed from us?
Sir, the better thing in PurpleLane is after getting an opportunity as well, they've been giving more of the opportunities for us, which should be better for us.
Yes.
And even we get it or not, they are giving their 100% support for us to move forward into a better future.
Thank you, Sai. So we hope like we'll do better in the future as well for you and all the other students as well. So that's it from my side. So if anything required from me or like my team or so, please let me know. We are here to help you. Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.